Here we go. This may be the final lap. Let's try not to hit some cones again. Let's try and beat our time of 22.8. All right, here we go, lining up for the Good Guys Columbus Autocross. We are testing out our new street connection suspension for A-body Mopars. I'm in 1967 Plymouth Barracuda that we call Slobak, and this is our third run. First one, I hit some cones. Second one, I hit some cones. Hopefully we don't hit cones this time.
They're calling lunch. We'll start back over at the same spot after lunch.
All right, guess we're stopping for lunch. Well, we didn't get that run in. We got 2 runs in so far, and it's already lunchtime. It tells you a little bit how long we're waiting. No big deal. We'll get it. Get a couple more good laps after lunch. We are ready to test out the street connection suspension by Hammer Fab. This is run number 4. We are at the Columbus Good Guys Autocross. It's hot out. My hands are sweaty. Go. Let's try not to hit some cones. Good to go. Thank you. $22.8.
Hell yeah.
And I didn't hit any cones. I'm happy with that. That's the best I get.
Yes, sir.
22.867 and a cone.
Here we go. This may be the final lap. Let's try not to hit some cones again. Let's try and beat our time of 22.8. Well, that's good enough for today. I think I'm done. I'm gonna head back.